When are you going to take control of your life? Today's video is to remind you you can break free from the 9-to-5 chains. It's currently 2:30 on a Friday, the sun is shining, and I have time freedom. I'm 32 years old, and I want to remind you, you can escape the life that you don't want to live. So stop feeding it. Design a life rather than being assigned one. And how do you do it? Apply key traits. Be disciplined, consistent, self-educate, and get around the right people. Rinse, repeat. See things as an opportunity. Be very careful on who you listen to. There's a quote from Jeff Bezos: "The rich get richer because the poor think every opportunity is a scam, whereas the rich see opportunities. They see new doors that are being opened, and they fail fast and they fail forwards and they try things and then they move on. They forever evolve." Don't get caught up listening to people with old narratives. Baby boomers, business is risky, you need to go into education, college, uni, and get a safe job. It's nonsense. There's something called lifestyle businesses. If you have a passion or you have a hobby that you have experience in and you enjoy telling people about these experiences and the knowledge that you have, it can be turned into a business. The average UK salary is £1,600 a month. So think of it like this. Imagine selling a product or a service that you have created through the experiences and the knowledge that you have in your passion or hobby, and you sell that through smart marketing. You systemize it, you automate it, you've built a business for free. Network with the right people. Stop having conversations with co-workers who are earning £27,000, £28,000 a year, but yet you're trying to earn 6 or 7 figures. Get around the right people. We have Audible, podcasts, YouTube, TikTok, every social media at our fingertips to learn. We can go to seminars, we can get a coach, a mentor for free. We can join free communities of like-minded people. Start being disciplined with your health. Start working out more. You become resilient. You're able to be more disciplined. Get up a little bit earlier. Do the 4 evaluations in which I talk about: self-evaluation, time evaluation, financial evaluation, and social evaluation. Correct those, do what is necessary, and start changing your life. Commit 12 months to yourself. You know, when people say to me they don't have time to change their life, if I was to take their phone, I'd love to see where their time goes on social media. Maybe scrolling on Instagram late at night, watching cats jump off roofs. It's priorities, isn't it, with everything? Why do people not have money in the bank? Because they've overspent. Financing a car, remortgaging a house, buying trainers, going on holiday, keeping up with the Joneses. The common goal of every adult is time freedom. And if you want it, do things that the average person is not willing to do. And really, it's not even hard. Be disciplined. Don't put bad food in your mouth. Don't put bad fluids in your body. Work smart, not harder. Put in the hours. If you have a young family, work your first shift and then work the second shift. Do what is necessary. Say no more to people who are wasting your time. You know, value your time more. You know, people say they haven't got time. You have time. You can't save it, you can only spend it. So be picky on who you spend time with. And like I said, say no more. Saying no to people is actually having more self-respect. And figure out what you actually want in life. For me, my flex is time. I can go to the cafe now, go out for a nice restaurant meal, go on holiday tomorrow with my family. I don't buy expensive things, I don't have materialistic things because I'm not about flexing that to other people. I want to enjoy life. I don't want to work in a 9-to-5. I never did. Until the age of 68, 70 years old, broken and decrepit, to take out a piddly pension and then just think that was my one shot. My one shot at life, and I just went through like a freaking robot. You know, I'm loving this. The sun is shining and it's just taking it in. This is why in my 20s I sacrifice things so that I can go on holidays. I can take time off. I can be with family. I can enjoy time with my son. And if you're a parent, you'll know this as well. My God, does time go quick? You know, your children grow up and you think, oh my God, where's my time gone? Life is for living. And this video is to wake you up. Stop doing things that are gonna get you from A to B to a better lifestyle. Design a life or be assigned one. It's very simple. Make a plan or be given a plan. You can take control or you will be controlled. There is no in between. Start living life. Start sacrificing things for the short term, for the long term gain. I'm gonna go for a walk now before I pick up my son. I hope you've listened to this. If you did like the video, do like, subscribe, leave me a comment if it related to you or perhaps what you found most interesting or what resonates with you. And until the next video, I will see you all very soon.